Welcome to my course, and if you're on this page, I can almost guarantee that you guys have heard of cryptocurrencies and you know that you can make lots of money just buying and trading cryptocurrencies. And one of the more popular cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is one of those currencies that has been rising in value dramatically. And as I'm recording this video, the value of one Bitcoin is 12,000 US dollars. Just a couple of years ago, 4 years ago, the value of one Bitcoin was $120. Now you can see over the span of 3 to 4 years, the price of it has dramatically increased, and it makes for a great investment. But Bitcoin isn't the only currency that people have made lots of money from. There's coins such as Doge, Stellar, Litecoin, Ethereum, Steam. All these coins have dramatically increased in value just over the past few months. If you guys want to get started with cryptocurrencies, I highly recommend you enroll in this course. But at this point, you're wondering, if I do enroll in this course, what will I learn about cryptocurrencies? Because to be honest, cryptocurrencies is a very confusing yet simple concept. It's simple because it goes along with the basic concept of buy low, sell high. But there's so much more to it. So in this course, I'm going to be teaching you what are the safest wallets to place your currencies. And no, these aren't typical wallets that you have in your pocket that you carry with you all day in and day out. These are virtual wallets that are either stored online, on desktop, or even on a hard drive. I'm also going to be showing you the best platforms for you to trade your cryptocurrencies and the benefits and drawbacks of each and every platform. I'm also going to be showing you how you can actually buy and sell currencies using these trusted platforms, so you can actually have an understanding of how the system works and how you can use it to your advantage. Now, going along with the buy and sell, I'm also going to be teaching you the best strategies for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, whether it be long term, short term, or somewhere in between. So I hope you guys find this course interesting, and I really wish that you guys really jump onto this gold rush that we're having here with cryptocurrencies. Now in the next coming years, as more and more people jump onto this platform, the gold rush will eventually fade out. So anyways, I'll see you in the course.